Hi, welcome to this free online project based learning course. This is session number 4, that is change process to PBL. So, in this session, we'll try to explain various factor or why should we need to change from our traditional lecture based learning to project based learning. So previously we have discussed introduction of PBL in session 1, second theoretical and principle of PBL in session 2, and in third session we have discussed various PBL models, and later on in our last session we will discuss various approaches to PBL supervision work. So particularly in this session I will try to explain educational change, its need, and model for educational changes, and some key elements for change process to PBL. So educational change, many of the educational change process are initiate because of or wish or need to first stimulated motivation for learning, then accentuate institutional profile, next factor that is development of new graduate competences, next decrease dropout rate, next respond to external accreditation, and last that is adopt cut in resources. There are some factor influencing the change process from traditional to PBL. So we consider some factor including governance and educational policy, educational research and political paradigm. Next, change to both the systematic level and the individual level. We can consider motivational, leadership and vision. Then implementation of strategy also, trust in student learning, and last religion and global communities. So these are some influencing factor to change process from traditional learning based to project based learning process. Next, that is various model for educational change. So according to Freud, so in that article published in 2000 have identified 3 change model. So the first change model is the current change model, as you know, as it is a model that is used for most faculty innovators. The second change model will be called the exposure change model, since it is the model advocated by many faculties and organizations that support of large scale curriculum researching initiatives. The third model is based on Cotter's 1995 model for change, which is often used to illustrate the change phase. So we consider these 3 model for educational change. Some element of this change process. So according to Constant emphasizes the importance of vision in 1995. The Costa does not work with phase but necessary element in the process, that is vision, consensus, skill, incentives, resources and action of plan. So these are total 6 elements considered for change: vision, consensus, skill, incentives, resources, action plan. So a combination or absence of any one element, we will get a different change. So combination of these 6 element considered for change: absence of vision will get confusion, absence of consequence will get sabotage, absence of skill will get anxiety, absence of incentives will get resistance, absence of resources get frustration, and absence of action plan will get treadmill or treadmill. So in this way we have discussed educational change, model for educational change, and element for change in this session. Thank you.